So we here, guys. Should I move up a little bit? I don't know if this is fine or not. But hi guys. Welcome. Hey guys, welcome to my let's try again. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do a little different. So how y'all doing? Y'all feeling good today? So today we're gonna do an unboxing video. I know, I just came home. I see my Melodies here. Look. Ooh, right? I just washed it down, but I was like, might as well open them on camera. So honestly, lately I've been ordering a lot of stuff online. I don't know which one is here, but I hope it's mine. You know what I'm waiting for? I was waiting for the face paint palette, so I hope it's here. This one's will open first. The big one, the small one. You know, let's open the small one first. I hope this one is my wig. I don't really know. Now let's open it. Let's open it. And as you guys can see, I'm on my bed, so I was like, I'm lazy for this video. You know what? I'm gonna do this in my comfort zone, which is my bed right here. And if it's you guys seen that? Disrespectful. Ugh. I feel it. I just feel it, but I was like, no, maybe you're just gonna. It's so hard for me to put earring on without a mirror, so I'm just gonna use my laptop. Ready? Way back. Now, like what I was saying before this accident happened was, I know it's so hard for me to put my earring on without looking in the mirror. It's like I always miss the hole. I don't know how, but I always do. It's just so sad, and sometimes it hurts so much. I was like, fuck it. I guess I'm gonna be earringless today. So I'm about to open. This now was not. I was not talking about that. Was I? No, I wasn't. Yeah. Also, about me being in my comfort zone. I know if you guys follow me on Instagram, which is Manu Beauty, you can type Manu Gentil, and you will find me. You always see I always use the background, but I finally changed the picture. I decided to put like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's gonna show half, so it's a beautiful painting though. I'm gonna show you guys at the end. It's really beautiful. So it's basically a queen, an African queen. It's so beautiful and traditional, and I love it. And I'm on my comfort zone doing this video with you guys. So guys, welcome to my room. I hope you like it. So let's see. Ooh, and there's another box, and there's my dog outside. I hope I'm talking loud enough. Ooh, I think it's my wig. I ordered this wig on Amazon. Ooh, it's here. It's here. It's here. Should I open it now? It is an unboxing. I'll open it. But I can do another video talking about, you know, how the texture it is, how it feels and stuff. And I bought this beautiful orange wig so I can do a photo shoot. And I hope you guys follow me on Instagram to see me showing off this beautiful wig. Oh, it looks so pretty on me. Look, it looks so pretty on me. Look, like bam, look. See? Oh my god, I'm tempted, but I want to do it in front of the camera. I got it super long. Look how long I got it, but it's so. Wait, let me try. I'm crazy, so I'm gonna do crazy stuff. Oh, okay, too much on my face. Okay, I think I got it. I'm like, like, you guys like it? Okay. Okay, let's put it back. That was the first one. The next one, I hope the next one's from Wish, honestly, because that one's supposed to come in next month, late, and hopefully I got it. They ship it out early, and I got another one that I want to come. Still waiting for. And we done with the number one. Now, let's save the biggest one for last. I know you guys thought I was weird. I'm just doing thumbnails. Usually every time I do those thumbnails, I never pick them anyway. I don't know why. But I always do them. Ooh, I see double that. I ordered from this website on my phone. And it was so fast, and I ordered it last week. That's what I like. Good customer service with my clothes. Well, same thing with Rumwee. Is it Rumwee? I'm sorry, Rumwee. It's my accent. And I bought a shirt from them. Honestly, I also want to make another video trying on the clothes right now. Let me see, what time is it? It's 12 a.m. and I gotta wake up at 2 a.m. to go to work at 4 a.m. So, shit's crazy. And I also ordered the shirt from them. I don't know if you guys can see it, but melanin, yo. And I also ordered this sweater from them, and I can't wait for me to try it for you guys. I can't wait. And I also ordered this beautiful sunflower shirt from them. I ordered a bunch of shit because it was on sale. I picked this. Which one is that one? Oh, there's a tank top one. It looked kind of big, but I didn't open it yet. And I bought a tank top, a crop top, tank top. I said it. Oh, and I ordered this bag from them. Yeah, but the bag looks smaller online, but it's a decent size. Then I ordered this beautiful jumpsuit skirt from them, and I can't wait for you to try it on for you guys. And I ordered this sweater from them. That was really like fast shipping because I ordered that literally last week, and it's already here. I thought I was gonna wait next month. Well, I was really expecting my face paint to get here, but it's still not here yet. Well, I'm really grateful for the clothes. I can't wait to try them on because I thought I was gonna. Because I ordered the paint, the face paint. I ordered the face paint before I ordered all those stuff right here. But look at this, and I ordered the face paint like 2 weeks ago. Like, come on, Wish, get your shit together. Send me my paint, my face paint. Even though it says don't come like, you know, October 12th. Come on, 4 weeks though. Really? 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 But I can't wait to try this on for you guys, and hopefully I do them tomorrow so you guys can see them by next week. And I also got a lot of paint coming for Halloween. I'm ready to put my other self on, if you guys know what I mean. And some of you guys probably like, what? No, I don't know what you mean, bitch. Yeah, you guys will see what I mean when I put everything out. So that was basically it for the unbox thing. I hope you guys like it. It was like really simple, just open stuff that I bought, and I hope you guys like it, because I gotta end this video short because I gotta go to sleep. You know what, I got food, we can actually sit and talk. Let me get comfortable. I'm hungry and I'm eating this right here. This is what I get for flexing for y'all. I know I should never show y'all that shit. Now I gotta change my sheet. That's what I get for trying to, you know, buddy. That's what I get for trying to show up for y'all. I can't believe I did that. So, ooh, that's spicy. That's spicy. Oh my god. But I put extra spice in it, and shit is spicy. It's good. You know what I put it? I cooked some chicken, and the chicken sauce was really spicy from earlier. So I put the chicken sauce in it and put some water and the stuff that they told me to put in there, and it tastes so good. So how was that day? My day was good. So guys, if you guys didn't know, I was working with kids before, and I spoke about that in my last video. Now I got a makeup job at Ulta, and I've been working there for like a month now, and it's really interesting to be like in the makeup world, because before I just did the makeup, I never really worked there, and I love it. Really, I love it. It's like, it's good to be back on retail customer service. Cause I used to work in school and stuff. Yeah, it was fun and all, but I feel like it was not my passion. Plus, it was too early. I have to get up really early, like 7 a.m. Nah. At least now, I only got this crazy hour. Only one day of the week. That's fine. But my other job is 7 a.m. every fucking morning. Monday to Friday. And I miss my kids and all, but I feel like I had to move on. Don't you like ever feel like, like, okay, my time here has been expired. It's time for me to move forward. And I always feel like that. And like, if you feel like if your job, 'cause like at my job, I feel like there was my last job. There was so much drama, like drama. Like it was everything was just so fucked up. It's like whoa. It's like you never thought like somebody would never betray you. Then and when it actually happened, you're so shocked. It's like you overthink. You're like no. It's like you be in denial for like 2 seconds. I was in denial for 2 seconds. I was like damn, this bitch really betrayed me. Oh, I was like, oh, I see how it is. But me, sometimes I can be petty at times, especially if I've been good to you, and I never show you any remorse or anything. I never be a bad friend to you. The way she betrayed me was just crazy and stuff. I guess she got this new position and she just flipped on me and stuff, and it was just crazy. So I was like, okay, I see. So I stopped talking to the bitch and stuff. She came up to me because I know it was not right for me to tell, because I know she just close like this friend. So I spoke to him. I was like, I feel like she's been phony to me and stuff. And I guess he told her, and I knew he was gonna tell her. She was like, oh, are you telling people about me? I'm like, no, I'm not telling people. I didn't tell nobody anything about you. I told him that about you, and I know he told you. So don't be like people, be like he told you. So yeah, so we stopped talking. And the thing is, I know her since I was 15, and I'm 22 now, and we're just so crazy. And that one day that shit happened, and she betrayed like a year ago, and I was sitting on the job for 1 year, and I was on her side. It was just so fucked up. It's like I told her I had to change my side just to get away from the bitch. It's like, especially when you're working with somebody that you don't like, it's like you need to find a way to go around that person. And that's what I did. I feel like I had to dodge a couple bullets, like, and at the end of the day, it definitely pays off. And I'm very proud I did that. Like, I was like the bigger person. I still like, the bitch. You like. So she tried to talk it out with me, everything, but she still was active phony. So after that, it was like I kept it really professional with her. Even when I was leaving the job, she found out from people, so I didn't tell her how. I still don't trust her till now. I know you guys saying, why did she do? I don't want to say why did she do, because I feel like I don't want to really say what she did, but it's just, I know you guys was like, why you mentioning it? Well, I want to share my story about some fucked up shit happened, but I'm eating. I'm trying. It's like story time with it. Yeah. So I'm in my new job now. So it's not like, I don't want to make friends or anything. But I'm just gonna give keep my guns up, or be very professional. Cause my other job, that was crazy. And like so many phony bitches. It's like, especially I was working with older people. I would think that they would mature up, but no. Just because somebody's old doesn't make them mature. That doesn't give them mean they have a lot of knowledge. Doesn't mean that they're intelligent, okay? Just because somebody's older than you. It's so good. If you guys wonder what I'm gonna drink, if you drink a lot of water, especially if I feel like I'm eating kind of heavy food, I do like, oh my god, you skinny, yeah. But I like to stay healthy, so I like to drink a lot of water. If you guys hear it. I'm so dramatic. I put it in a microphone so you guys can hear it. It's so good. You guys can see it. Can you guys hear it? I mean, yeah, I'm eating this. I'll be loving this video. But I feel like I'm looking for the microphone. I just don't know which one that will fit my camera. If somebody know, please help me. Because I'm trying to be dramatic here. Do some stupid video. Be like, guys, I'm eating this noodle. Spicy noodle. It's good as fuck. All I need to do is put some chicken spicy sauce on it. And it's gonna taste like crack. When I say crack, not crack, but food crack. I hope that's cool. The way I'm talking on it, I'm just doing this. I don't even know how it's gonna sound, but I hope it sound good. Let me sound chew. Damn. Yeah, I'm so crazy. I do crazy shit. Hopefully it sounds the way it's supposed to sound when I'm trying to editing it out. Let me make a commercial. I'm so bored. Hot wait. Hot spicy with shrimp, chili sauce, pickle size, romaine noodle right in your room. You eat it, you microwave it, or you sometimes have no time, you put hot water in it and boom, it's ready. Now get the hot spicy with shrimp romaine noodle soup. I did this straight, like, get the ramen noodle soup. Wait, let's try again. I feel like my first time that was like, a little sample, I was practicing. Let's try again. Commercial. Hot spicy noodle with shrimp, so tasty. Get the ramen noodle. It don't cost much. It only costs $1. A dinner just for $1. How great is this? Get the ramen noodle. That was a commercial right there. I think that was okay. It's whatever. You guys see, like, my I'm trying to entertain y'all because I'm eating. I mean that. I was just thinking about this commercial. Yeah. Do you guys ever see like a ramen noodle commercial? I never seen one. Not thinking about it. That's crazy. Like, yeah, I never seen a commercial for. Maybe they've been there so long and you just going anywhere, so just stop doing commercial for them because they know people like me will buy them. Usually in the sauce, like, you drink it like. I was thirsty, and now I find water. Stay hydrated, my friends. I'm on the commercial mode. I usually do this with my sister and my cousin, but tonight I'm solo. I'm supposed to be asleep right now, but I'm being irresponsible. Let's drink to that. So I'm gonna let you go. Have a good night. I hope you guys enjoy chit-chatting with me in my room. And I feel like I'm starting to build a connection with y'all, and I love that. If you guys have any question about me or any video y'all want me to do, any video ideas at all, just put them down below or write them down below. Or if you guys want some advice about things, because I'm willing to give y'all some advice, and just put everything down below, or just email me for the advice. And just email me the advice if you guys want to. Okay, I gotta go, guys. Well, I did this at nighttime. Well, have a good night if you're watching this at nighttime. If you guys just started watching this, like, you know, in the morning, well, good morning. If you guys watching this in the afternoon, good afternoon. Evening time, good evening. And I gotta go, guys. Bye.